Imagine the saddest movie scene you've ever watched, then add a capybara in a raincoat and double the drama. Meet our hero Capybara, raincoat broken umbrella, absolutely soaked in both rain and feelings. The street? Empty. The mood? Peak melodrama. With eyes that scream, "Why me?" And a face that says, "Not again." He's serving main character energy in 8K high-def sadness. But hey, sometimes you gotta stand in the storm to look this iconic. Hit like if you've ever had a day this dramatic, Capybara style.